Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how I set up Secure Boot for Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Let's get into it. Go over to the Call of Duty store, then your options, choose the bell icon to see recent notifications, choose that notification to learn more. It'll then take you to the Activision support page, which I will put a link down in the description. Scroll down the support page until you find Secure Boot Guidance. Let's check to see if Secure Boot is enabled on your PC. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then you want to type msinfo32 and hit enter. This will bring up your system information window. Take a look at your secure boot state. If it says off, it's currently disabled, so we can turn it on in the BIOS. Also look at your BIOS mode. UEFI means it supports secure boot. So I had to enable TPM. In order to enable TPM, I had to update my motherboard, which I got a video on the channel of how to do that. When I updated the motherboard, that disabled secure boot. So I'll reference a previous video where I showed how to enable Secure Boot for Call of Duty Battlefield 6. It's the same process, works the same. Put the link right over here, so check out that video. It's pretty helpful. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.